I am so geeked right now. I sold a coffee cup for $30. Hey guys, Midwest Picker here. This is a what sold video. It's been a while. I think, I don't know, 5 or 6 days since I made a video. Sales have gone crazy. I've sold about 6 items in the last 5 days. I can't even keep up with the shipping. And if this is your first time here, I'm a part-time reseller. This is just a hobby for me, so it's like a mad scramble for me. I work full-time. I have a family. I have about 175 listings on average, but my sales have just almost doubled from, say, 2 months ago. It's crazy. I need a script. I've got so much stuff. So stick around to the end of the video. I did a packaging video for shipping. I've been promising that for a long time. It's high speed, it's double speed, and I'm going to narrate it. So there's 3 items that I sold that I package up, just to give you an idea of printing labels and packaging and what it looks like. Got this idea from Commonwealth Picker. That's his name. I almost forgot it. I got the idea from him. He does a really good job of a top-down video of high speed of shipping. Not sure what he uses, but I downloaded a Microsoft app for my phone. So this is my first time doing it. So I'm not going to be at the end of the video. That'll just be a treat at the end. So please comment down below if you have any questions, suggestions. Did I miss something? If you're seeing something and you said, hey, that was on Instagram, but it wasn't on here, just put it down in the comment section. My email's down below too. So feel free to shoot me questions in email. I answer questions all the time and I enjoy doing that. So let's get going on the 6 items that I sold on eBay. Let's see here. The first item is vice grips. I'll put a picture. Maybe I should move over. These vice grips I bought for about $2. I had them listed for $14.95. They're vintage, 1942. They're collectible. I took a best offer of $10. So I took that. They sat on eBay for a long time. Probably 9 months, maybe longer. Next one up here is faucet stems. I don't recommend this. I put that on Instagram. I don't recommend you buy these. Really hard to sell. I bought these for 25 cents a piece. So I thought, cool, I'll sell 1 at a time or 2 at a time. That didn't sell, so I lotted them all together. Different brands, Ace Hardware brand and all different brands. They finally sold for $10.75. Like I said, I paid $0.25 a piece, so not a bad flip, but it wasn't a fast flip. It took forever. Next one is custom cleaner. This is a home dry cleaning kit. I saw this at a thrift store for $2 or $3. I don't remember. I had it for $18.95. Probably 2 months, and then somebody gave me an offer of $16, so I took it. Next one are these dowel pins. They're taking off like crazy. I had these for months and months with no sales, and now they're selling probably 1 or 2 bags a week. So here's another 100 for $3.95. Cookie cutters. These are vintage from the 70s. They're cast aluminum. They come with a long handle, and you're supposed to jab it in the dough. So it's just the cookie cutters. Got these for $0.25. And that was a sourcing video of a thrift store that was going out of business. So that's way back. I don't even remember what episode that was. Took a best offer of $6. I had them for $8.95. Paid $0.25. So sold them for $6. With all of these items too are shipping on top, by the way. And then the last one is this here. This is a coffee cup, University of Auburn. It's shaped like a football helmet. Saw this at Goodwill for $2. I almost walked past it, but I said, you know what? I'm going to check it out because I had never seen one like this before. And I flipped it over upside down. Maybe I'll put that picture up here too, over here. But if you look at the bottom, it said 1986. Really old. So right there in the thrift store, I looked it up on eBay. Nothing. Completed sales? Nothing. Googled it, nothing. So this coffee cup is extremely rare, I guess, but it's a branded item. So if it's a Coca-Cola coffee mug, a Tabasco coffee mug, University of Michigan, anything that's branded, Disney World, Starbucks, they will sell. There's a collector's market out there. So this was University of Auburn branded, shaped like a football helmet. Put it on for $45.95 because it's the only one. I have no idea what it's worth. Got a lot of views, a few watchers. It's been up for I'd say maybe a month and a half, and then finally someone gave me a $30 offer with shipping on top, and I paid $2. And I said, "Yep," took the offer. It's already gone. So I got positive feedback. They loved it. So I turned $2 into $30 on a coffee cup. That's crazy. So that was really good. So this packing video that's coming up next is dowel pins, a little baggie of that goes in a flat bubble mailer. The custom cleaner I just talked about goes in a bigger bubble mailer, and then the faucet stems goes in a little tiny eBay box. So enjoyed this part. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if this is your first time. Subscribe so you'll know when I got new videos. And thanks for watching, guys. All right, this is a narration. I'm hoping this works. So this is me sitting at the computer. I'm basically going to my sold page on the eBay website, and what I'm doing now is printing a packing slip. So I always include a packing slip. It's got a little message: "Thank you for your purchase. Please leave a positive feedback if you're happy." I always put that in all of them. So this is that custom clean dry cleaner package that I just talked about. It's going to go in a big, I think it's an 8x10 padded mailer. And then I'm printing, well, I'm weighing it right now. So what I'm doing is I'm weighing the package and the bubble mailer and a sticker, so I get accurate 5 ounces. I'll put it in as 9 ounces. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to print the packing, not the packing label, the shipping label sticker. I'm going to put it on the package first because it's an oddball shape. So if you're shipping something big and round like a baseball or something weird, I suggest you put the shipping label on first, then put the odd shaped package in there. See, now it's all bulgy and weird. So I'm closing it up, and then I always tape it because I don't trust that that's going to hold, because I've heard horror stories of them popping open. So that's all ready to go, nice and easy. I think the next one is the dowel pins. That's going to go just in a eBay branded bubble mailer. So I'm printing another packing slip where it says, "Thank you for your purchase. Please leave positive feedback." There's the eBay branded one. This is smaller. This is 5x7, I believe. Highlight in yellow: "Please leave positive feedback if you're happy with your purchase." Stick it in the bubble mailer. Stick the item in there because it's flat. Put a piece of paper on the scale. Weigh it. Comes out to like 3.7 ounces, so I put it in as 4 ounces. And that's the shipping label in the printer. I can close it up now because it's flat, and then I tape it because I don't trust it. Print the shipping label. And you're going to notice too that I taped the shipping label. So at the top and bottom of the shipping label, I put a piece of tape on it because these packages will sit in my car for a few hours, and I've noticed with humidity, sometimes these shipping stickers, they will peel off. So I do put some tape on there. Just to be cautious, don't put clear shipping tape over UPC codes or Q codes, because it's hard for the laser at the post office or FedEx to read that if you do that. Little eBay box. I bought a bunch of those. I got those free because I have a store. These faucet stems, they're really light. I mean, they're solid, but I think everything included. I think I screwed something up there. So yeah, there's my packing slip. Highlight it, stick it in there. This will go first class. It comes in around 13, 14 ounces. It's pretty close. And then I got to put some packaging in there so it don't bounce around and move around. It makes the post office nervous, and customers don't like that because it risks damage. Now, these are faucet stems, so they're not going to get damaged. They're practically bulletproof, but I still like to pack it nice. So I did pack it there with newspaper and some bubble wrap, just jammed it all in there. Printing out the shipping label now. And I don't know what's going on. Sometimes my printer will go offline because it's a Wi-Fi printer. And tape it up really good, nice and easy, and doesn't move around. And then the shipping label, it's difficult. You got to fold it over the side of the box. The label's bigger than the box, so be very careful when you stick it on there so it's easy to read. I taped the bottom and the top of the sticker. So yeah, that's about it. When I weigh it, I make sure that I weigh it in the package with the padding and a piece of paper. And so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is the Midwest Pecker.